Firstly, raise your hand with inhale and exhale. Go in Utkatasana. Now go in Padastasana and touch your feet. Again, go in Utkatasana. Now go in Padastasana and touch your feet. Now go in lunge position. Try to align your posture. Try to straighten your leg. You will feel good stretch in your hamstrings. Now try to shift yourself in pigeon pose. And look up, make arch in your back. Now we will look front, we will raise our hands with inhale and bend towards right side. Interlock your hands behind your back and go forward. Touch your forehead on the floor. Now come up. We'll shift our body and go in Janu Shirasana. Janu Sasasana is a gentle yet powerful pose that enhances flexibility, supports digestion, and calms the mind, making it a valuable addition to both beginner and advanced yoga practices. Now we will go in Padastasana. We will shift our another leg in pigeon pose and make arch in our spine. We will straight out forward leg and feel amazing stretch. We will go in Warrior One pose. From here, we will move in Padastasana. If possible, try to catch your ankles. From here, we will shift in Utkatasana again. We will close our session. Take care.